In an era where health-conscious choices are at the forefront of consumer decisions, the significance of understanding nutritional labels cannot be overstated. As we navigate the aisles of grocery stores, we are bombarded with an array of products, each adorned with intricate nutritional information. This essay aims to delve into the science behind nutritional labels, unraveling the complexities that lie beneath the surface. Understanding the basics. Nutritional labels serve as a gateway to deciphering the nutritional content of packaged foods. They provide a snapshot of the product's components, helping consumers make informed choices about their dietary intake. Key elements include serving size, calories, macronutrients, such as fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and sometimes additional information like daily values. The importance of serving size. The concept of serving size is fundamental to interpreting nutritional labels accurately. Often, consumers overlook this crucial element, leading to misconceptions about the actual nutritional content of a product. Understanding serving sizes allows individuals to gauge their intake realistically, preventing overconsumption and promoting a more balanced diet. For example, a snack may appear low in calories, but if the serving size is small, the cumulative effect of multiple servings could contribute significantly to daily caloric intake. Calories as energy currency. Caloric information is a focal point on nutritional labels, representing the energy content of a serving. However, not all calories are created equal. The source of these calories, whether they come from carbohydrates, fats, or proteins, impacts how the body utilizes them. This insight empowers consumers to make choices aligned with their health and fitness goals. Recognizing the importance of balancing caloric intake with energy expenditure is key to maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Decoding macronutrients. Fats, carbohydrates, and proteins form the trio of macronutrients that play vital roles in our diet. The type and quantity of these macronutrients significantly influence the nutritional value of a product. For instance, distinguishing between saturated and unsaturated fats helps individuals make heart-healthy choices, while understanding the difference between simple and complex carbohydrates aids in managing blood sugar levels. By paying attention to these nuances, consumers can tailor their diets to meet specific nutritional needs and health objectives. Micronutrients and their impact. Nutritional labels also provide information about the micronutrient composition of a product, including essential vitamins and minerals. Recognizing the presence of these micronutrients is crucial for maintaining overall health, as they contribute to various physiological functions. Consumers can use this information to ensure they meet their daily requirements for key nutrients, promoting optimal health and preventing deficiencies that can lead to various health issues. Navigating percent daily values. The percent daily value, %DV, serves as a reference point for understanding how a particular serving of food fits into an overall daily diet. It is based on a daily intake of 2,000 calories, which may vary depending on individual needs. %DV aids in assessing the nutritional significance of a product within the context of an entire day's worth of consumption. This tool allows consumers to identify products that are rich in certain nutrients while being mindful of potential overconsumption of others. For example, a product with a high %DV of sodium may be a red flag for individuals aiming to limit their salt intake. In conclusion, the science behind nutritional labels is a multifaceted realm that empowers consumers to make informed dietary choices. As we become more conscientious about our health, understanding the intricacies of these labels becomes paramount. By decoding serving sizes, calories, macronutrients, micronutrients, and %DV, individuals can navigate the labyrinth of nutritional information, paving the way for healthier and more mindful eating habits. The next time you pick up a product, remember that the nutritional label is your key to unlocking the science behind the food you consume, guiding you on a path to a well-balanced and nourishing lifestyle. In embracing this knowledge, we not only make informed choices for our individual well-being but also contribute to a broader societal shift toward healthier eating habits and lifestyles.